A short review on Fidelity Investment, that is an investment platform. Your goals, your future, your way. You can create an account on the official website to simply get everything, every your money account, every your bank account at one place, and then how you can manage it. You can start investing, your future starts now, do more with your money, work with a dedicated advisor that you will get on this website. So there are four things you're going to get in this website. First is investment help. Second is you can get a personal advisor for investment. Third, you can get all your expenses at one place. And fourth is you can grow. You will get DEY investing and any other type of investment on this application or software. As you can see, the investing account, FDIC insuring account, monthly contribution, and many more. You can start investing today and grow your career, your profession, and as a person also. Why choose Fidelity? Affordable account. They will be 24 into 7 to help you and tools for every solution. Thank you so much for watching this video.